Hey tech fans! The Nothing Phone 3 just got teased with a killer triple camera setup, and leaks are spilling all the juicy specs. Is this the smartphone to beat in 2025? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech scoops. Let's dive into this Nothing Phone 3 hype. Nothing is set to launch the Phone 3 globally on July 1st, 2025, and leaks are lighting up the internet. We're talking a 6.7-inch OLED, a triple 50MP camera system, and wireless charging. With a Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chip, is Nothing about to steal the flagship crown? Keep watching. According to sources, the Nothing Phone 3 rocks a 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display with a 1.5K resolution for crisp visuals. The triple rear camera includes a 50MP main, 50MP ultra-wide, and 50MP periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom, perfect for pro-level shots. A 50MP front camera handles selfies and video calls. It's also tipped to pack a 5,150 mAh battery with 100-watt wired fast charging, plus wireless and reverse wireless charging. This phone's loaded. Nothing confirmed the Phone 3 will use a Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chip, boasting a 36% CPU boost, 88% GPU improvement, and 60% better NPU performance over the Phone 2. It'll run Nothing OS 3.5 on Android 15 with NFC, eSIM, and longer software support. These specs scream flagship. Could this outshine Samsung or Apple? Nothing is making waves with its transparent design and bold tech, and the Phone 3's triple camera and charging upgrades show that they're not messing around. Launching in just days, it could redefine what a mid-range flagship can do, with leaks hyping a sleek build and top-tier performance. Are you ready to ditch your old phone? The Nothing Phone 3 drops July 1st, and these leaks have us counting down. Whether you're stoked for the cameras, charging, or that OLED screen, this phone has got buzz. Are you grabbing one or waiting for the official reveal? Drop your thoughts below. That's the scoop on the Nothing Phone 3 leaks. Are you hyped for the triple camera, or is wireless charging stealing the show? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.